You can also use spreadsheets from other sources to create data maps in Google My Maps. This is a spreadsheet from the U.S. Geological Survey website about major earthquakes around the world since the year 1900. And the only rules you need to follow are that some of the data has to be locational. So I've got latitude and longitude here. So that's going to allow me to pinpoint locations on my data map. And also the column headings have to be in the very top row of the spreadsheet. Sometimes the top row of a spreadsheet is the title. If that's the case, you want to delete that row so the column headings are in the very top row. So I'm going to close the spreadsheet, and here I've got a map, and I'm going to title it Earthquakes since 1900. And I won't add a description. I'll click Save. And I've got one untitled layer. I'm not going to name the layer at this point. I'll click Import. And I'm going to drag my web browser window off to the side a little bit. Here's my spreadsheet about major earthquakes since 1900. I'll click, hold, and drag that into my web browser. It'll ask me to choose the columns to position your place marks. It already knows about latitude and longitude. Those are already selected. So I'll click Continue. Choose a column to title your markers. I'm going to choose Epicenter. Click Finish. So now I've got markers showing major earthquakes around the world since 1900. If I click on a marker, it'll give me the time of the earthquake, latitude, longitude, magnitude, and lives lost. All of the markers are uniform style right now. If I click on uniform style, and if I choose, I'll choose magnitude. And that makes everything a different color. For set labels, I'll choose epicenter. So now I can see the epicenter next to each of the place marks.